This is Lesson 17 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. In this lesson, we introduce the railroad light circuit. It's an electronic circuit that will make LEDs blink on and off just like railroad crossing warning lights. The schematic diagram for the railroad light circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in lessons 1 through 11 of the STEM activity book. You may remember from lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to make LEDs blink on and off. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink alternately, like on a railroad crossing sign. On page 17, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot leaning on a railroad light sign. Engineers designed this circuit to run on 9 volts DC. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is a railroad light circuit using 4 resistors, a 555 timer IC, a capacitor, and 2 LEDs. Please put a circle around the schematic symbol of the 555 timer IC on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this railroad light circuit? 2. That this railroad light circuit uses the 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink. And 3. How to spell and pronounce railroad light circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 17. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.